this is Annie here, ready to explore a hidden gem in Kerala in Malappuram district. This is known as the Pallur Waterfalls, and we have a short trek to take before we reach there. Are you ready to join me? Let's go. I feel like I can already hear the sound of the waterfalls, and I haven't seen this much thicket around waterfalls in a really long time. It's kind of a difficult terrain. I think better to wear really good marked sport shoes. Otherwise, it's fairly easy and not very steep. So it should be okay for all age groups. So I've just finished a short trek. I've made it to the base of the waterfall and I can already hear it from here. It sounds amazing and so peaceful. I just love the sound of water. So it's a double-decker waterfall. I don't think I shared that with you guys. Guys, as you can see, I've reached the Pallur waterfalls and it's absolutely everything that I imagined it would be. The name literally translated means milk fort, which makes no sense, but when you reach here, you know that it's fully true. The water gushes in a way that it's white and the natural vegetation makes it seem like it was a man-made fort. It's amazing. The path to reach the upper deck is a bit more adventurous, but it's totally worth the effort, especially if you want to see the falls in all its glory, which is during the time we've come, the monsoon season from June to September. There's something here for the thrill seekers as well as history enthusiasts. Apparently, Tipu Sultan took refuge here. The views from the top offered faraway sights to track enemies' approach, and it was arduous to reach the top, so it was also safe. When you do make it here, you can strike up a conversation with locals regarding this. Getting to this destination is quite easy, and you won't regret coming here with family or friends. When you do make it to this beautiful destination, I have some personal advice from my side. Try not to litter this place, carry some food and water because it might not be readily available. The water here is clear and pristine, so you might be tempted to get in. Just be cautious in the upper deck. The lower deck is fairly easy to maneuver. Carry a change of clothes for you and your family so that you can get into the water if you do make it. I've just spent a wonderful day at Pallur Waterfalls. So when are you coming with your family and friends?